Vidya Patwari, co-founder of Design Democracy. I welcome everyone to come attend the show on the 18th, 19th and 20th of September at the Hightex Exhibition Center, Hyderabad. We have about 200 plus brands, 150 plus architects, and about 30,000 visitors are expected across the 3 days. From furniture to lighting to carpets to art, we have all of it at the show. We have world-class F&B, music, a great display of even art, a lot of interesting installations, both indoors and outdoors. People are going to love it. So everyone, please come experience the show. The displays in the four pavilions we have is going to be spectacular. Please save your date and be there in Hyderabad on 18th, 19th, and 20th of September 2026.
Okay, so for the very first time people who are visiting this design democracy, what are they going to experience or what are they going to get from this?
So, the people who've never come to a design show and who've never visited a design show, either in India or abroad, when they come to Design Democracy, they are going to be literally like this is a very, very different experience. They are going to be taken aback in a good way. It's something that they would have never seen in their lives. So they are really going to be like wowed by it. I mean, the first time I saw my own show being set up in 2023, I literally had tears in my eyes. So it's something till you don't see it, you can't believe what you're going to see.
So the name is very interesting, design democracy. So what exactly the democracy in the designing means?
It means that anybody who is into this field is free, is accepted in the show. They don't have to be a well-known designer. Anybody who is creative, who has a good product to showcase, who does good work, we welcome them into our show. And so in that way it's democratic. Anybody who is into this field has the liberty and freedom to come exhibit with us. People have the so that's the most important part of design democracy.
So what is it going to be different from the previous edition,
So
2025 edition to 2026 edition?
So this year we have a lot of art that we've included. One of our special exhibits is called the Art Edit. It's being curated by Anish Gawande, and Sakshi Art Gallery is doing up the space. So we've involved art, like pure art, in a very big way this year. Then we have a lot of outdoor installations. We have two big indoor installation galleries. So the whole look and feel, we're trying to make it better. We have involved artists, so it's going to be different in that sense this year.
So who should attend this? Like only interior designers, architects, or the normal housewives, or the
No,
enthusiastic? So who should attend this actually?
I think anyone who likes design should come to the show just to experience it. You don't have to be a shopper. You don't have to be an architect or an interior designer. If you just like good design and you're a design enthusiast, you should be there to just see the show.
So what are the biggest design trends you are currently seeing in Indian homes?
I think sustainability, simpler things, things that last over generations, I think that's going to come back in a big way.
So Hyderabad, if you see, like it is going very, like rapidly it is growing. So like when it is rapidly growing, so what do you think the change in this Hyderabad designing culture or the other stuff like?
So what happens is as the homes have gotten bigger, I think a lot of uh, product designers also who exhibit here or who work with local Hyderabad or other architects who work in Hyderabad, they get a lot of business out of Hyderabad. So in that sense, a lot of more architects, as more architects are getting involved, that many more product designers from across the country are also getting involved. So
So
they
are
get
Hyderabad customers becoming more experimental with interiors, or do you still prefer the traditional luxury?
No, Hyderabad, I think now does world class interiors, and Hyderabadis always had good taste. So it's never restricted to tradition or to local product or to anything local. I mean, they are ready to experiment. They like everything. So yeah, no.
So how do you select brands and designers who come to be a part of this?
So as founders, if the three of us like the product, those are the designers that get a spot at the show.
So finally, tell us one thing. So like there is this AI thing happening around. So how challenging is this AI thing to a traditional designer like?
I mean, not really. So maybe the AI can come up with some design, but the execution is always going to be by hand. AI can't do embroidery on a fabric. AI can't say make a ceramic pot. AI can't do carving on wood. So maybe some design on a wood panel might be done by AI, but can AI really make that product? No.
Okay. Thank you so much, madam.
Thank you.